You can't learn to ride a bike from a book, and getting better at connecting the dots to what matters and learning how to experiment, those are skills you need to take out for a spin. In each Activate workshop session, we learn a specific adaptive thinking skill in small and productive chunks and apply it right away in real life to your real work. Everybody is so busy. In times of overwork and overload, learning feels like a luxury, but learning by doing, learning while doing, what a powerful and productive way to create team capability in real time. In each workshop session, you and your team learn a specific thinking skill that you apply to your own context and your own priorities. And you learn how to apply and combine those skills across a wide range of situations, all from your own world. Activate is hands on learning, it's real time learning, it's action focused skills training. It allows your teams to step into their power and get the results that they know that they can.